Hello, welcome to Exxon Mining channel. Let's compare air-cooled and water-cooled mining machines. First up, cooling effectiveness. Water-cooled miners are generally more efficient. They transfer heat much faster, making them ideal for overclocking and high-performance compacting. On the other hand, air-cooled miners do a good job too, but they tend to spare the heat inside the machine, which can raise the overall temperature. Now let's talk about cost. Water-cooled systems usually come with a higher price tag, especially if you are going for a custom setup with pumps and cooling towers. Air-cooled miners, though, are simpler and more budget-friendly. They rely on fans to get the job done. In terms of efficiency, water is excellent in transferring heat, making water-cooled miners more efficient, especially if you have got plenty of water resources. Air-cooled miners depend on airflow, so they are not quite as efficient as water cooling systems. What about maintenance and installation? Well, water-cooled miners are a bit more complex. They can leak if you are not careful, and they need regular upkeep. But with air-cooled miners, installation is straightforward and maintenance costs are low, so where should you use them? Water-cooled miners are perfect for high-performance setups, like game PCs or workstations. Air-cooled miners are great for everyday uses or for those who are watching their budgets. In conclusion, if you're after top performance and don't mind spending a little extra, go for the water-cooled option. But if you're focused on saving money and keeping things simple, air-cooled miners will do just fine. Alright, that's all for today's sharing. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.